Namaste, good morning to all of you. Here at SWASTH BHARAT Kendra, International Yoga Training Center, we take special care of those public spot places where you students, participants, yoga students, yoga sadhak and also course learner, they touch those points and those all public spots. We regularly clean, sanitize so that no bacteria, no microorganism, no some infections could happen from those spots. So you can see regularly our staff, cleaning staff also take care of all those spots like switches. You see switches here, switches. You can see that switches are being cleaned here in this way. So that, and this is sanitizer. With sanitizer we use so that no microorganism, no bacteria, no infections could happen from this spot where you use frequently to switch on your fan, switch on your lights, and also the handles which you use, which you open, the handles which you open. This is also, you can see, the cleaning person also clean, but apart from that, our yoga experts, yoga therapists, yoga teachers also regularly take care of those spots whether they are being cleaned or not. Now when you go outside, you can see that here also, this also our expert always take care regularly, and just not one time in one day, but also multiple times. When you come here, you can see the entry point, the lift point, lift button also. We take care of lift button also so that no microorganism, no bacteria, no infection could be here. You can say this is also being cleaned. And once you enter to the center, then you can see here at center, main entry, and when you come and ring bell, doorbell. So this is also being cleaned regularly so that no infections, no bacterial infections, no microorganism could be developed. Now when you enter to this main entry, here this is also being cleaned. So these all are being cleaned with sanitizer and medically prescribed to kill the germs, infectious microorganisms. Okay, and when you enter here, you can see that you can open your shoe, you can keep your shoe in shoe stand, shoe rack, and there is another Maharshi Patanjali door. So you can see this is the door. When you enter to the yoga hall, so you open this also. So you can see that this is also being sanitized. Our cleaning staff as well as our yoga experts, yoga teachers, they do take care of these all public frequent touching spots so that it could be cleaned. And before entry, let me clear you that we keep this sanitizer here on entry. We use it. First, some of our staff, some of our therapists give you like this. You can use self also, and you are given with our staffs also, yoga expert, to sanitize your hand. So this way you enter inside our yoga hall. Welcome to yoga hall. Now this is the SWASTH BHARAT Kendra yoga studio at this our location. So in this way, if you see, we have started from the switch. So in this way, we take care of all these public spot, frequently touching spot, so that this all could be regularly sanitized, regularly cleaned, and also regularly disinfected, so that you all could be very nice, safe, and proper public hygienic environment could be maintained. Thank you. Namaste.